Hi everyone, my name is Iulia and today we'll talk about what projects you should include in your architectural portfolio. Well, if you're a part 1 and you're looking for a job right now, all you have are the projects that you did on first, second year, the project that you did on third year, and probably some extracurricular activities, extracurricular activities. Yes. So probably that's all you have, and probably some projects that you did for humanities and technology. P.S. You know what I wouldn't do? I would never ever include anything that I did on first and second year. It's pointless, to be honest. Who is interested to see your first year sketches that you did at university? I won. Firstly, the first project that you should include in your portfolio is obviously your last year project, and that should be the main theme of your portfolio. Basically, that project is the project that you did for studio during your last year. If you did some work experience in your first, second or third year, maybe you can include some images of what you did, or maybe you can include some sketches. Don't underestimate the power of sketches, because most of the time they are more valuable than anything else, as they show your thought process. Another thing that you could include in your portfolio would be, for example, if during the summer you took part in a summer project or summer school, or you went somewhere else in a different country to help to build a house or a school. I know that there are quite a few programs that are doing this, which is amazing. So include this kind of activities in your portfolio. This is like gold for your portfolio. So include some images with the process of building it, some images of course with the final result, but don't forget to include images with you, with your colleagues, because having real life images can be so nice and so eye-catching for someone who's watching it, and picture make everything more real and feel more real. Are you thinking of including something from humanities or from technology? Or maybe you don't even know what I'm talking about. Well, if you don't know what I'm talking about, humanities and technologies are the other two subjects that I studied besides studio. From humanities, you don't really have anything to include, because for humanities you usually have to write essays and things like that. From technology, on the other hand, you can include some technical drawings that you did, or maybe we had to analyze buildings and write everything about them, analyze their sun path and all sorts of things about that building, how it is built. We had to draw some small construction drawings. So these are things that you could include in your portfolio as well if you wish to. But again, the main focus should be on the project that you did for studio. Your portfolio should be extremely easy to read, even for someone who doesn't have anything to do with architecture. You don't have to use too much text, but not too little text. Well, you need to find the balance between doing diagrams and writing something about them. So someone who doesn't know anything about architecture can have a look at your project and be like, yeah, I understand what he means by that. So yeah, this is how you have to think when you're building your portfolio and you're putting all the information together. That is why it's extremely important to arrange your portfolio logically. What I mean is to start with your main project, where you will have to have a short content, then show some site analysis, then some development diagrams, and then final images. So it has to be extremely well structured. And then at the end of your main project, at the end of your portfolio, you can talk about your summer project or summer activities or whatever other activities you did, and include some work from technologies and humanities or whatever else you wish to include there. But the thing is, you'll have so much information to include for your main project that probably won't be enough space to talk about anything else and write anything else at the end. I would add something else at the end of my portfolio only if it was amazing. Like, I don't know, if I worked in Iceland at a house during summer, yeah, I would say that at the end of my portfolio. But if I didn't do anything too interesting, or it's just a boring project that doesn't say anything, then it's pointless, because you are already showing all your skills in the main project. Also, as I mentioned in my other videos, your portfolio shouldn't be longer than 10 pages. Even 10 pages is quite a lot. Remember, you don't have to overcomplicate your portfolio. Always, always less is more. All you have to do is to show your skills and most importantly your personality, because that's the thing that's gonna win everyone who's gonna look through your portfolio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video about what to include in your portfolio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments down below or on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!